So Heidi's, she got a new gloves and welding helmet and all that good stuff. Is it working?
Well, that one wasn't so freaking. That one wasn't so great.
It's getting better though.
But, oh, it's stuck in my hair. How come you don't have
I don't
that
go through this crap.
Oh.
What's uh-oh mean?
Well, at least uh-oh is a good laugh.
So you still burning holes or is it
Nope,
working?
I think what's happening is I should probably go see my eye doctor, Dr. Dalen, IQ Optometric, Grand Rapids, Minnesota.
No, because he always hits on me.
He's the bomb. He does not hit on you.
Yes, he does.
He's friendly. Stop.
Oh, he's friendly, all right.
Oh my God. What if he watches your videos? You're a jerk.
I don't care.
That's all right. He's the best.
Everybody on this channel knows I don't care anyways.
He is the smartest guy ever, and he'll help me know how I can see to weld. Anyway.
No, he is a badass eye doctor
Oh,
though. He fixed my eyes that day, but like when we left that day, my eyes were all jacked up until they were better, and then they're way better than what they were, you know?
He's so smart, but he'll be able to tell me what I need to do because I'm a wackadoodle.
So are we gonna talk about eye doctors all day, or you know what?
Oh, we can if you need to. So, anyway, I just keep thinking I'm one place and I'm not because I'm not seeing it correctly.
All right, so what I was showing her is show the position you were doing. I was showing her that like when you're welding, it helps a lot when you get your hands in the positions and you're choked up on the stinger and the trigger, because she's got a finger that's cut off, so she's got to be careful with that because it gets tender. And I told her, you know, use your middle finger here for the trigger and then hold, you know, choke up around the gun here.
My little three-quarter finger.
Three-quarter finger. But she's doing good. I mean, she's, you know, it's not easy to weld sheet metal, and you guys know that. So she's doing awesome. And she's doing quick bursts. So it's, you know, there you go.
Is it good?
That's beautiful.
Of course it is. I'm gonna come over here. Where's that hole I burnt? Right there. See, that's what was happening before.
Yep. But if you slow down and do the bottom and then go up to the top like we were talking about,
Yeah.
and then I could put that copper behind those holes too, where you can weld.
Okay, I might have you do that. Let me get around them though.
Yep.
But it was a lesson today for sure because I wasn't thinking that I was holding it too long, but I was definitely holding it too long.
Yeah, it doesn't take much on sheet metal, and that's what people don't realize is you can't just weld the crap. You know, you got to go quick little zaps, boom, boom, boom. Pull the trigger quick, like 5 times, and then let it cool and go to the next spot, right?
No. I can see you.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, you just made me blink. Do it again. You slacker. I didn't work that time. And I have my handy dandy little stool. I'm probably ergonomically correct and shit.
See? Look at that beautiful well.
Hail to the air.
Which one was it? I only know now.
It was the pretty one right there.
Yeah, so see, that's working.
Yes, it is.
All right, just keep doing what you're doing.
That doesn't feel as good. I burned a hole.
Where at? Which one you at now?
There, right there.
Yeah, but see, you filled it. If you keep going, without making it real hot, come back to that one and do the same thing next to it. That's the thing is you gotta have patience, and it's very methodical.
I have patience.
Oh my God, you have no patience.
I have. Oh my God, really?
Okay, you've been with me for how many years? You got patience.
Yeah, I definitely have patience. And it's not just you. For real, it's not.
Really?
Yes. I also have Chase. I have a child who is me reincarnated. I have to have a lot of patience. Okay, I'm taking my patience and I'm welding.
This is Heidi
How
hour.
many?
Oh my God.
But I'd rather ask you before I do like 500 spot welds. Like, how much do you want me to weld in? Shouldn't I be practicing TIG welding since I'm, a new welder?
Yes, we could practice TIG welding, but I would like you to whip sheet metal on MIG welding first.
Watch me weld.
What's MIG stand for? Remember?
I was making a joke. I don't remember.
What does TIG stand for?
Tungsten inert gas.
All right. See, she pays attention. She's learning. She's doing good.
I'm whipping.
You're what?
I'm whipping. Like that song, Watch Me Whip?
Just lay some dimes, like you say.
No, I didn't lay. I think I
Lay
said-
some coins.
lay some coins. Make some coins.
Come on, hurry up before everybody hates you more. Let's
I
go.
know, they really do too. I probably... Ooh.
So we're on 5 minutes of the video right now, and you've done 3 welds.
Shut up.
I wonder why it takes her so long.
Shut your face. I either need a new stool or a new floor.
I need a new grill.
I could fix that for you right now. Over the labor lady you're crushing on.
Whatever.
You got a girlfriend and she's not me.
Oh my lord.
Mother fricker. Darn it.
Burn a hole?
Yep. Okay, now, did we make the verdict that this has a dip over the wheel well? Because remember, this was dipped in.
I don't know. Let me get off this damn camera. So to tell you quickly what the story was with this car, it's a 65 or 66 Plymouth Fury 2. And the guy brought some quarter panels to me, and they were the wrong ones. So we ended up cutting those apart and smashing them almost flat and reprofiling them and making them work. And
More
then
accurately, the right ones are almost impossible to find.
what do you mean the right ones? So they do make them aftermarket or no?
They make them aftermarket, but not for this car. Sorry, guys.
But not for the
for this particular
Plymouth
one.
Fury.
So
What
his
is it
son
called?
has a Sport Fury.
Sport
and
Fury,
can
yeah.
get the panels, but
Yeah.
he couldn't find the right ones for this one exactly.
Yeah.
They're a little bit different. So I mean, he could get the parts, but they're not perfect. I mean, you see that a lot in Mopar stuff, though. When we've had a few Mopar cars we've done,
Yeah.
isn't that? I mean,
Yeah,
wouldn't you
that's
say
true.
That's kind of been like the way of it. is
Or
like
or
we're
you
close.
get or they show up at your shop and there's forklift holes in them.
or they're and an unfortunate freight driver.